In this video, we are going to learn how to design this artistic staircase. So let's start. So here, first we'll select the top plane. I'm taking a line tool. We'll draw a line from origin and we'll make one closed contour. Now, we'll define all the dimension for the sketch. This is total 10,000. This is 2,000. And this side it is 6,000 height, and this line is equal to this line, so we'll select together and make it equal. Exit, go to extrude feature, keeping it mid plane and defining total depth is 200. Okay, now we'll select this face, sketch on it. Now we'll take center line and we'll draw from mid to next midpoint, and one more center line we'll take here, and defining the distance this to be 300, and we'll draw one line here, defining the distance of this to be 3000. Now we'll take line tool, we'll convert this into arc and we'll draw one tangent arc, and we'll draw a straight line, and again we'll convert this into arc and making till origin, making this arc and this arc equal to each other and maintaining angle between this line and the center line 5 degrees, making this arc tangent to the axis. Now we'll exit. Now we'll select this arc, go to extrude command. Here I'll take blind method, defining 400 distance, and I'm taking a thin feature to mid plane, 200 distance. Okay. Now I'm going to fillet this part. So here I'm taking full round fillet. We'll select this part, middle face and the side face. Do OK. Next, we're going to fillet all the side. We'll define the radius value 300. We'll select all the edges one by one and do OK. Now we'll change the appearance of the part. We'll go to appearance, taking here organic wood, and here in the wood we'll go for rosewood. We'll click and apply the rosewood material. Now we'll select this thin feature and the fillet part and go to linear pattern. We'll define the direction of pattern. This edge will take it, so this arrow will reverse it. We'll define total distance 400 and total 10 number of objects I want. Next, we'll go down and take the option instance to vary. We'll scroll down. Now here we'll select the angle and the distance. We'll zoom to the angle. We'll select the angle, and here we'll select 300 distance. Now we'll define the increment values. So here we'll define the increment of 5 degree and the distance increment is 300. Okay. So this is how we have created this part. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.